Did you know Java is literally everywhere? From your Android phone to ATMs and even NASA, Java powers them all. Did you know? Java powers over 3 billion devices. From Android apps to web applications, and even banking systems. Java is everywhere. But what makes Java so powerful? It's platform independent. You write Java code once. It compiles to bytecode. And that bytecode runs on the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM for short. So whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, the same code runs anywhere the JVM exists. That's why we say, write once, run anywhere. Quote. And here's the best part. Learning Java today means you're future-proofing your career. It's a language that stood the test of time. So, ready to dive into Java? So, what is Java exactly and how it works? Java is a high-level programming language that follows the OOP model. You write your code in Java files, compile it into class files, bytecode, and the JVM runs this bytecode on any machine. That's the magic of Java. Truly write once, run anywhere. So that is out of the way. Let's see how Java works. So here's the flow. You write your code in Hello World, Java. Compile it with Javac to generate Hello World class bytecode. Then the JVM executes it on any platform. This is what makes Java so portable. Now let's see a simple Java example. Let's understand your first Java program step by step. This code prints the message, Hello, Java, to the screen. First, we write public class Hello World. This means we are creating a class called Hello World. In Java, every program must be inside a class, and the file name should match the class name. Next is public static void main string args. This is the main method. It's the starting point of every Java program. The word public means it can be accessed from anywhere. Static means we don't need to create an object to run this method. Void means this method does not return anything. And string args is used for command line inputs, though we don't use them right now. Inside the main method, we have system.out.println. Inside brackets, hello, Java. Quote. This line tells Java to print the words, hello, Java, to the screen. When you run this code, you will see the message, hello, Java. That's it. You've just created your first working Java program. So here's the flow. You write your code in Hello World, Java. Compile it with Javac to generate Hello World class bytecode. Then the JVM executes it on any platform. This is what makes Java so portable.